Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use OpenIAM application launcher. So let's start from the installation point, press next, and I will leave the default location and I will just press launch after installation, press install, and that is it. Actually, I would like to say that in enterprise scenarios the installation process could be done using group policies, so you can install this application for all Windows machine in your environment. So I press finish, and we have the first window that we need to fill. It appears on the first run, and we need to specify once OpenIAM DNS hostname or IP address. So let's use demo.openIAM.com, and every user has his or her own credentials, so I will use sysadmin just for test and press login. So what we have here is the application launcher icon, and we see that we have an application list. So let's pick one, for example Google, and I'm not going to press it right now, but let's go to browser and go to gmail.com and check if we are signed in. No, we are not signed in actually. So let's do the same but using application launcher. And we see that we actually got access to our Gmail account. So here it is. And we can use any other applications. Let's use Salesforce. And we have the same result. So actually, if we go to our OpenIAM instance, and go to self-service, which is the area for end user, and go to my applications, we could see the list of applications that we could use. So it is actually the same list that we can see on our application launcher, and it is very flexible. So actually we can add different applications here and make them available on application launcher. But let's go to web console, and we have just seen how it works from end user side. So let's take a look how it works from admin side. To do this, we need to go to web console, and we see access control menu item, and we need to go to authentication providers. And we have a list of providers here, and one of them is app launcher. So just press edit. So if you would like to configure the same behavior on your environment, you need to create your own provider, and you can take a look on how it is configured. So you can give your provider name any name that you would like. For example, we give the name app launcher, and what important here is that we specify a redirect URL, which should be a localhost app launcher redirect. And we need to give default scopes like self-service, IDP OAuth after ICE, and the name. And you don't need to worry about client ID and client secret, because these parameters are getting exchanged with external OpenIAM client during the login process. So you can configure it on your side like you see here. And important part is the role assignment. So let's go to roles, and we have quite big list of roles here in our demo environment. So let's extend the list to 100, and let's find our role. It is called app launcher as well, so let's press edit. And default role page is is very easy. So we just need to know that the role type is access role and the status is active and it is visible. And we need to go to role entitlements. And if we take a look here, what we can see is that it is a role, and the users, like this user, it is the user that I'm currently logged in. This user has access to some resources, and it is app launcher. And also what you need to do is go to system configuration and check if application launcher or host client is set like this. So it is how it is configured, and if you have any question, you can always contact OpenIAM support team. And thank you for watching.